I'ma make you a believer. Cause my love's a bomb and I'ma wet you like a street sweeper. What will you run to? It's no escape. I know you want to, so say you do and don't hesitate. Your ex-man did you wrong. You acting like I did it, but you bringing this noise. Now baby, kill it. And keep your eyes on this prize, fool, recognize. You hurting yourself much more than you realize. Claiming you want open relationships, forget it. Cause when you see me with other girls, you wanna set it. Showing me mad love through your vibe. As if I was a bullet that really shaking, I'ma make my way to you. Keeping it true, I do everything I said I do. Girl, I'ma open your heart like surgery. My love so
a sword. We must be aware of trick knowledge, them used to deceive us. You've been plagued with them into the Jesus. You worship false portraits of Jesus. The grafted image you worship is Jesus. I hear the snap of my great-great-grandfather's neck and a noose hanging from a fucking tree, whipped in, mentally abused. Visions of great-great-cousins running across the field, unarmed, ran down and killed. I be the star to dispel the darkness cast upon your soul by inhabitants of Mount Caucasus who praise the dead and not the true and living. Killed Jesus and said that he died for their religion.
So come on and swing it, oh sweet chariot. Pick up your righteous Lord, and yo, to carry it to a new home and identity. For my peeps on, death will be the penalty. And for my peeps, I got mad love. Keep your eyes on the prize and your eyes are up. And your shabazz, make sure you sing it loud enough. Listen out to the right state.